Today I wanted to try a little different of a setup, just be a little more candid than I guess my general setup, which is in my office, which is somewhere behind this camera. But I just want to talk about the Fujifilm experience, or just my experience with Fujifilm. What is the Fujifilm experience? The Fujifilm experience is more of a tactile, manual, stylistic experience. So here's the setup. I have the Fujifilm X100F with the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the Peak Design strap. I also have it in the leather case that came with it when I bought it used from a local camera store. The experience that really pulls you into the craft of photography. Although it can be an automatic experience, it can be a fully manual experience where you control the shutter speed, the ISO, and the aperture. And it can be a semi-manual experience. I think it covers all ranges. You can probably do the same with any other camera on the market, but it's just the experience you get when using Fujifilm. And if you've used Fujifilm before, I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. It's just the Fujifilm experience. That's pretty much how I define the Fujifilm experience. And one major thing I want to highlight with the Fujifilm experience is that it's like what you get out of it. And what you get out of it is actually being in the moment while shooting the photo. And this is mostly coming from an experience of shooting with the camera, not in a professional setting, but more of a intimate setting, or generally how I would like to use the camera, or how I use the cameras. That's just the main piece I want to highlight about what is a Fujifilm experience. And in general, it is the camera that you take with you, that you don't really mind that's there, don't take you out of the moment, nor does it take anyone else that is out there with you in the moment. It's just that camera. It's, in my opinion, the camera that replaces the dad cam. I'm not a dad, but that's just generally what comes to mind when I think about the Fujifilm and what the experience that it provides. But it can also be a creative camera. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't say it's a dad cam. Maybe I should just say it's the camera that is fit for majority of all occasions. Doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter the background, whether you are a professional photographer, enthusiast, or just someone who's picking up a camera for the first time. The Fujifilm system in general is the system that really allows you to enjoy the experience of photography.